Hello everyone, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to add to cart button and buy it now button on product page. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to customize your Shopify online store by yourself without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, and you want to make a professional store, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. Here I am Faisal, working as a Shopify developer and SEO expert from last 6 years and uploading video on this YouTube channel relevant Shopify store design, customization and SEO, and I already uploaded almost 1000 video relevant Shopify store setup, design, customization in different themes like Dawn theme, Horizon theme. So right now I am on the Shopify community, in where every Shopify user asks question relevant store design, customize store review, SEO, apps, lots of things and everything relevant Shopify, and this is the best place to get support, but it's may take little bit time and you will not get support with video guideline. So that's why here I am working as a video supporter or guide you as a live support from my YouTube channel. So you see, in the morning I have checked the community and found a question adding add to cart and buy it now button on product page, how to add. So in the beginning level, for every Shopify store owner or beginner face such simple issue, because they just started using Shopify and they're just trying to make a store without any previous experience, and that's why here I am ready for you. Okay, so you see I have already add to cart and buy it now, and I'm using the Horizon theme, and now I'm going to show you how you can do this very simple process. Let me go back on my computer screen, on my admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel, and then click on online store, and you see I'm using Horizon theme. Then click on the edit theme, and then select product, select default product, and you see here is the buy now button. You'll find an option under the template within the product information. You see buy it now, this is the buy it now block, and on the buy it now you can add accelerate checkout to add buy it now. If you hide it, it has been gone. Accelerate checkout and add to cart. So it's super easy, and you can anytime change this order. For example, you can move it on the top and you can move it on the bottom. Also you can move this wild section anywhere. Okay, then you must have to click on the save. So here I found another issue that this user may be added the add to cart button, but it's not working, it's invisible or does not work, because on this store the product is stock out. So if same case happen for your store that your product is not available, then it does not work. So you must have to make sure that your product has available on stock, then it will work. So I hope you understand how to add to cart button and buy it now button on the same time on product page. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.